Hello, Gavin Sykes with the BeoVision 732 adapter. So this adapter plate allows VESA and LG CX and C9 panels to be mounted to an existing Bang & Olufsen motor floor stand, and the motor floor stands that we can use are the BeoVision 732, 626 and 1032. The VESA TVs that we can mount are VESA 200 by 200, 300 by 200 and 300 by 300, and the LG CX or C9 panels are the 55-inch or the 65-inch. The screen is always vertical, and because there are lots of different mounting positions on the plate, we can move the screen up and down, and this is useful when we're using a Sony TV or a Samsung TV. You can keep the BeoLab 7.1 or BeoLab 7.4 speaker from Bang & Olufsen, or you can have the adapter which also allows BeoSound Stage to be mounted with the stand and TV setup. So I'm going to mount the TV now and BeoSound Stage, and then we can have a look at how it works on the rear side. So here we can see the CX55 LG panel mounted onto the adapter with this 732 stand and BeoSound Stage. We can mount accessories such as a decoder box or a games console onto the rear using the normal STB mounting system. You'll see a link on the page. So here I have a mini decoder box, and that would simply clamp on the rear of the TV. So, adapter for BeoVision 732 stand for LG and VESA mount TVs from STBbrackets.